Welcome to MyGo Minds. Today we are going to discuss about JDK installation. So first of all, we need to open any browser in our system and search for Oracle Java. So I'll just type Oracle Java. Okay, press enter. So here we'll get the hyperlink, first one Java software. So please click on that link. So here we will be navigated oracle.com page, right? In that right side we see download Java. So click on that button. So here we can scroll down. We will see the JDK 21. So this is the latest version of JDK. So just click on that. So when we scroll down, we will see JDK for Linux and Mac OS and Windows. In my scenario, my system will be Windows. I just click on Windows and I need to install 64-bit installer. So for that, I'll be clicking on the link, second one. So just click on it. So it will be downloaded. We can see top right corner. Yeah, it will be installed. So click on that file folder. So it will be open in our file explorer. So double click on this, or we can open directly. So it will be giving the pop-up. Click on yes, and now we are in the page welcome to installation. Next, here we will set the path. So by default we will set the path like this. If you want we can change, otherwise click next. So our JDK is installed. Close. Click on close. Successfully installed. So we just click on close. Now the JDK is installed successfully. After that we need to add path to our environment variables. For that we need to open our JDK folder. So open your file explorer and go to this PC. So inside this PC we have Windows C. In that we are going to open program files folder. Okay, so here we can see we have the Java folder, right? So double click on this. So in that we have JDK 21. So our JDK is installed successfully. So now we need to add a path to our environment variables. So this is our entire folder structure of JDK. Okay, so when we open it, inside it having the path, right? So we need to copy this path, copy, and go to search and search for edit environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Okay, open it. So here we are seeing like environment variables below. In advanced we have environment variables. Just click on that. So here we will get the user variables and system variables. In system variables I need to add a path of our JDK. For that we need to add a new path. Okay, now here by defaultly we have these paths in our system. I need to add a new path. I just pasted the path of my JDK 21. Pasted and click on OK. Click on OK. And next I need to add another path. Click on OK. Now we need to add another part. For that, we'll open our file explorer, Windows C, program files, and open Java folder. Some we have the common files. So in that we need to open Oracle. It consisting of Java folder. So click on that. Here we got the path, Java path, and under one is Java path target. So we need to open Java path and just copy this path and open edit environment variables. So copy this path and open our environment variables and add new path. Click on new and add Java path in it. So paste it and click on OK. And next click on OK. Next we need to click on OK. So again I'll check here. I'll added both the Java path as well as our JDK in our system environment variables. So here I add a new variable with Java -home. So here we have Windows C. In that, open program files and go for Java folder. Here we have JDK 21 folder. Click on that. So just I added the path with a variable name Java home. Okay, just I need to add the variable value, paste it here and click on OK, and again click on OK. Next we need to close our environment variables. Now I need to know that whether our environment path is set correctly or not. I'll just check it for. So here we have our JDK 21 path with a variable name called Java home. So this is our JDK path. Okay, it will be set, and next it will be our Oracle Java path. So these two paths will be added to in our environment variables, then only we can run our Java program successfully. So we need to add it. If we get any error or it will be shown like not recognized this path, we need to add these paths in our environment variables. Now I need to know whether JDK is installed or not. For that, I open the command prompt and here I'll write a command called Java. So sorry, it will be in small letters. Java space --version. Enter. So here you can see me the Java is installed successfully. So current version is 21.0.1. So this is our entire installation of Java. And if you want to check the version of Java C, we just write Java C space --version. So this is how we need to install our JDK in our system.